This is an area we're fixing. This is all that's broke right here. So we're gonna fix that. As you can see, everything over here it's okay. And right here it's all no good. Yeah, don't take too much more. Yeah. Okay, he put some wax paper there. Now he's gonna wet it. He's gonna try not to make sure you get it over here. Try not to get it there. Yep. He's wetting everything, getting everything nice and wet. And the reason we wet that is so it can soak into the concrete. It can soak nice into the concrete. And you can see he's gonna put it on the rod. He's also putting on the rod, and that our material will bond to that rusted rod and prevent from rusting again. This is a finished product right there. That's a finished product. There you go. Done.